gets my goat? When I go to a restaurant and the waiter comes out and they tell me the specials and they say things like, I have a beautiful chicken piccata. And I'm gonna be like, you have a beautiful chicken piccata? Did you make said chicken piccata? Where is the solidarity? You could say, we have a beautiful chicken piccata, or the chef has prepared a beautiful chicken piccata. Like, give credit to where credit is due. Come on, lady. There is no I in teamwork. There is no I in service industry. I saw a Maltese yesterday at the dog park, and I was so jealous of her hairstyle. But then I was like, be the change that you want to see. Take control of your own destiny. Why do single people have to be the last odd wheel? Why can't they be the first wheel? Why can't all these dumb couples accommodate them? Also, the fifth wheel in a car is often the most clutch because it's the spare wheel, so take that, you dumb couples. Jerry's out here, Ruth. Oh, brother, maybe you didn't even recognize me because I got a little extra dose of swag here. Is it too much swag for you to behold? Am I too swagalicious? Ugh, cut the crap. All right, my name's Ruth. I got truths about San Diego Comic-Con. Truth number 1. You're gonna need a phone, okay? If you want to call your friends, call your Hollywood agent. I don't care. Maybe you're calling me a dentist. Beep, 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 boop, boop, boop. Talk to me. That's exactly what you're going to want to do. Truth number 2. When you go to Comic-Con, you're going to want some sort of a nose plug, okay? There are a lot of smells out there. There's one smell in particular called BO, and that stands for body odor. If you want to know some more abbreviations, LOL means laugh out loud. WTF means way too funky. Truth number 3, my final truth and maybe even my best truth. Oh, this one's a bit of an inside track, so you're welcome in advance. Cosplay! Now, I don't know who directed this play. I don't know who produced it, who's in it, what the music's like, the plot lines. All I know is that it might be a huge smash on Broadway. Maybe even bigger than Hamilton. Who knows? I'm trying to get my mitts on some tickets, and once I do, I will report back. All right, Ruth out. So if you were there, hello again. If you weren't there, sucks to be you! I'm just kidding. That was really mean. Hopefully you got the inside track to what was happening at SDCC 2017. There are so many people out there who are trying to be my friend Pearly Pearl. I wanted to say to them, you can never be Pearly Pearl. Only Pearly Pearl is Pearly Pearl. Plus, you don't smell like Pearly Pearl. It was creepy, let me tell you. I think she's gonna need to file for a bunch of restraining orders. This is me cosplaying as Ruth. Yes! I hope you guys had fun today. If you did, please like, subscribe, share. If you appeared in the video, I definitely want to hear from you, so leave a comment, all that good stuff. Okay.